for a splishy splashy adventure. Today, we're drawing Emily Elephant having tons of fun jumping in a muddy puddle. Are you ready to make some muddy magic with us? Let's get started. Emily makes the biggest splashes with her strong elephant legs. Mud goes flying everywhere. Do you think Emily makes the biggest splash of all? What about you? How big are your jumps? Look, the eyes of Emily Elephant are now wide open. She is having fun investigating her surroundings. She loves using her trunk to spray muddy water like a fountain. Emily twirls and stomps in her puddle with extra happy moves. When Emily splashes, she says the muddy puddles look like little works of art. Would you use Emily's trunk as a water hose? What fun shapes would she make? What's the funniest noise an elephant might make while jumping in the mud? Excellent! Look at that! Our sketch of Emily Elephant is complete. Now, let's make it even more amazing by adding colors. Grab your markers or crayons and let's make her splash come to life. Emily loves inviting Peppa and her pals to jump together in muddy puddles. She says, muddy puddle fun is great, even when the rain stops. Every jump gets louder and funnier. Her laugh is infectious. Emily's big elephant ears flap like wings while she jumps. Emily likes to search for the squishiest, muddiest puddles around. What fun sound do you think the puddle makes when Emily jumps? Splish? Splash? Splush? Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. What other animals do you think could splash in the puddle? A duck? A dog? Where should Emily go after her puddle adventure? Straight to a bath or a snack? Wow! Our Emily elephant is splashing with so much personality. She's ready for her next puddle adventure, and it's all thanks to your creativity. Be sure to share our drawing with someone who loves elephants and puddle fun. Remember to keep smiling and see you next time for more amazing art adventures.